Right now your liver is performing 500 functions simultaneously. But if you drink even a couple of glasses a week, it operates in disaster cleanup mode. What if I told you that in 30 days your liver can not just cleanse, but actually regenerate at the cellular level? We visualized every hour of this process. On day 21, something will happen that science couldn't explain for a long time. This process will switch your metabolism into super burning mode. But not everyone makes it to that point. Let's go. Day 1. Stage 1, the first 72 hours, detox mode. Your body is in panic. The liver throws all its resources into breaking down residual ethanol. Do you know why you crave sweets on the second day? Your liver has blocked glucose release. You're on the verge of an energy collapse. Stage 2, week 1, swelling reduction. Inflammation begins to subside. The fatty fog disappears. ALT and AST enzyme levels in the blood drop by 25%. Visually, it looks like excess water is being pumped out of a swollen organ. But the most interesting part begins on day 10, when mitochondria enter the game. Stage 3, week 2, metabolic shift. The liver is no longer busy with poison. Now it starts burning your subcutaneous fat. Your skin becomes clearer not because of creams, but because the liver is once again effectively filtering hormones. At this stage, many people relapse. Why? Because the brain demands dopamine that alcohol used to provide. Now we'll show how to trick this mechanism. The liver is the only organ in your body capable of full regeneration, even if only 25% of healthy tissue remains. It's your internal Wolverine. Imagine your liver as an ultra-modern water purification system in a alcohol is tar being poured into the pipes. In 30 days, the system doesn't just flush the pipes, it replaces the cartridges. As the liver recovers, the level of brain fog drops by 40%. You start thinking faster because ammonia levels in the blood decrease. By day 20, the level of the most powerful antioxidant in your body skyrockets. You literally start aging more slowly. And here we are. Day 30. What do we see at the microscopic level? Fat cells in the liver have decreased by 15 to 20%. The risk of developing fibrosis has dropped almost to zero. But the main insight isn't that the liver has become cleaner. It's that over this month, you've rewired your taste receptors and neural connections. A month without alcohol isn't about abstinence. It's about regaining control over your own biology. You didn't just quit drinking, you updated your body's operating system. If this visual tour inside yourself made you look differently at that evening glass of beer, hit like. It helps algorithms promote videos that make people healthier. What change did you notice in your body first when you took a break? Write in the comments, I read everything. Subscribe to the channel, here we uncover the secrets of your body and biohacking every 2 weeks. See you in the next episode, where we'll break down what happens to the brain after 6 months of sobriety. Stay in touch.